Okay, good morning. So this morning, not only is it a special day because we've got now 2 teenagers on the boat. Our daughter turns 16 and our son turns 13, but we've also got their teen friends. So there's actually 5 teenagers on the boat today, and of course Ewan, who's 10. And their challenge today is for the teenagers to captain and navigate this boat to our next bay where we're going. So they've got to do everything, the engine checks, they've got to lift up the anchor. Actually we're on a mooring ball, but they've got to get us there, drop the anchor and do everything. So we're only going to intervene if it's dangerous. So yeah, let's see what happens.
There's a boy up ahead, does that mean anything? Yeah, that's just it.
You and me, we're family. The bond that we share is as deep as the sea. No matter how rough things may come to be, you and me, we're family. Sing ho, hey.
Water.
I'm oil.
Belt and pantoes.
Bilge.
Leaks. Exhaust.
So the first thing they're doing is actually getting a bit of a mini lesson from Woody about how to do an engine check based on the acronym WOBBLE.
So that's your water check, okay? So you check the cooling water, because if an engine overheats, it can melt the, it can weld the piston.
What should I do with it? The grease?
Inside the piston housing, and that'll right off.
So the first job was for everyone to get involved with the engine checks.
Everything, we're just...
So what are we on?
We are commandeering Mothership. We're taking it somewhere exciting. Good. Doing great. There's on the helm.
My heart heaves.
Yeah.
Lucky eye. Keep us safe. We also got 2 tikis on board to keep us safe.
We just pulled the mooring line up, put it away in the rope locker.
We don't know if we're going to be using it next, so yeah, we just put it in the rope locker.
We said goodbye to our lovely friends on Osa.
We've taken over.
Yeah, we've got the kids in charge today.
Do you feel nervous that your parents are now sailing by themselves without any supervision?
They'll be fine.
Yeah, we've stolen their children. They've got more work on their hands now, having to do it all themselves.
They've done it by themselves.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Voice will be alright.
Okay, Blake? Yeah? You loosen the main sheet.
The kids up there sailing the boat. I'm just drinking my chamomile tea to stay calm.
Okay.
Done. There's a boy up ahead, does that mean anything? Yeah, that's just it.
How's it going so far?
We lift the mizzen out a little bit.
Yeah, it's going well. We so far got the mizzen and the main sheet out, and now we're going to get the, you know what else? How do you leave the crane?
Ready? Yeah.
The kids between them were sharing all the tasks of helming, navigating, operating the winches, keeping a lookout, filming, pulling the sails out, all the jobs that have to be done on the boat.
Yeah.
I'm putting it on further
Because it would come out there. We always try and put the flags out when it's someone's birthday.
Watch out for coral and stuff. Sure.
I'm going to look for bommies.
You have someone else just sunny.
We're just looking for coral.
And even though the channels are well marked, inside the channels there are bommies, which are kind of basically outcrops of coral, which are kind of less than a metre deep.
I can see like take your glasses off and put this like literally like this.
I want to pull a bit of main in now, because can you see the front of the main now luffing? That looks good, Ewan.
You sure?
That's good.
Oh, is that it? What are you having to be careful of?
Rocks and reef.
There's not that many rocks.
There's a lobster.
Mum's just like in like
That's
cool
where we're
heaven.
trying to aim for.
It is so wonderful to see how boat kids all work so well together. You've got a group of them out on the bow checking for bommies and checking for any shallow bits of coral. You've got the older ones teaching younger ones, and you've got the older kids, the teens, sort of discussing things and working out a plan of action. It's just teamwork. It's really brilliant.
Because that is where the wind's getting pushed into behind the sails.
We have to avoid this.
And you've got them navigating in the tricky Tuamotos islands of French Polynesia. So yeah, we have got Wade kind of trying to catch us up, and we're not really racing, but Leo has decided to trim some sails now. We're not racing, are we, Leo?
No, not at all. Never a race.
We are friendly sailing, definitely not racing wave.
We're getting close.
Uh-oh.
We're going 5 knots.
So now it's about feeding the teenagers. That's another challenge in itself. So I've got like everything out, and I'm just kind of making these. Woody's made some lovely flatbreads, and I'm just making hummus, salami, black beans, lettuce, tomatoes. Just making it happen. Lunch, teenage lunches. Not just like 2 teenage lunches, but 6, well 5, and then 1 10-year-old and us 2.
Bonjour, mon ami. The sweetest thing to hit parade. Would you spend a little time with me today? Bonjour, ma chérie. I love it when you talk to me, though I don't understand a single word you say. Your accent sounds so bourgeoisie to a hick like me from Tennessee, but you make me feel just like $1,000,000 francs. It's like money in the bank. Bonjour, mon ami. Would you give me back my joie de vivre and let me bid adieu to lonely days? Bonjour, ma chérie. The time for love is aujourd'hui. I wanna see just
Wade,
what
Mothership.
is.
Hi Wade, do you know where you're planning on anchoring?
Over to the starboard.
Okay, we're gonna wait for you to anchor and then we'll follow after.
A little bit across, because I can see a bommy in just there as well. But it's on the boat, yeah, just on the edge, on the back edge of the boat. Okay, so we're gonna try drop a thick get. It's still way too deep right now.
I feel like there is. Look, there's not as much there.
Yeah.
You shouldn't slap my face, you see. That's in America, that means that you a man. Then you show me how to find the door. Yes, that's what they call
That's
it.
50.
Now it's just a do to mon ami.
Oh.
So for now it's just a do
Okay.
mon ami.
Stop there.
Last thing we've got to do is do a log.
So on a log, it's written in a logbook. It's often the time, the date, our position in terms of latitude and longitude, the trip log, which is how much we've done overall, sometimes the weather conditions and the direction that we're sailing in.
Hey, we did it!
So we finally arrived at the anchorage, put the anchor down. Kids are playing, Mum's having a beer. It's beautiful, absolutely beautiful. It is idyllic. It's just like you see in the National Geographic magazines with all of the coconut palms and white beaches. It's beautiful.
Where are we? Yeah, so this bay is pretty neat, and there's this really bizarre thing. It's like a rainbow with a moon in between it. It's really cool.
There's sharks coming over and we're going to feed them.
Wreck at the bottom.
Oh, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming.
Right, Rowan, can you step into the water? Okay, but how do I stop them from biting me there?
Oh, Ron, they're coming, they're coming.
Yeah, I got
Yeah, they take it from your hand, but just be careful.
Oh, it's on his head. Oh my god, it's coming. Oh my god.
Hold it down there.
Hey, look, it's the fin.
No splashes, remember that. They will come. Remember, hold it low to the ground. They're used to eating off the ground.
Look, that's a tiny fish.
If you want, okay, let go.
Can I touch it?
Yeah?
Yeah, just the top of the head.
Oh my god, that is so tough. That is so cool. Like tough, like really tough. It's like really tough.
I think it feels tough. I feel like
It's bumpy, like leather.
No, it's just
I'd say soft lid.
Hello, Anna.
So with birthday comes beach barbecues and fun again. So we're off with the thingies loaded up with food, and we're the fire's already going, and we're going to have a nice barbecue. Look.
You know, Celine Dion.
Thank you.
Okay, I'm the chief.
Yes.
Okay, and I have a shell shop. I'll guide you in.
Okay, he's going to guide
I'll
us
guide
in.
you into the anchorage.
He's going to guide us to the anchorage.
That's an anchor.
Is there any bommies here? Can we get through this bit, Ewan?
No, there's no bommies.
Okay, you can go straight to
Unless
it.
you go over there. I'll show you into the anchorage.
Okay, show us the anchorage.
You guys row or grab onto my leg.
We just tie off on their boat,
Guys,
actually.
I know this place like the back of my hand.
Okay, is he saying knows it on the back of his hands? Go on then, quick! So I've got to drop the stuff off. You know, follow him.
Guys, let's go around here. Stay on to the left of me.
Okay, left.
Hello, I'm you and I'm chief of this area. This is the tour of our island. Here's the fire. You can warm up here, go for a swim. Then if you walk over here, here's our chocolate so you can put it in the fire. This is our local pet. His name starts with an S.
Oh.
He's not a hermit crab, he's hairy.
Oh.
This is his tiny cove.
Yep.
Then if you go onto here, get ready to get your feet wet. You walk through here.
Yep.
This is like the main place that we come. This is the area, because it used to be really spiky, so we put sand here.
What's this area?
This is just like, you know, the chill area. Here, this is my shell collection and other people's shell collection.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, the mast put down.
Well, that's a good set of shell collection.
Yeah, my hauler. I haul my boat out.
Oh. It's like a kind of boat dock.
Yeah, you just haul your boat out.
Sure. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Darren. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip. Hip hip. Hip hip.
1,000 candles flicker in 1,000 windowsills. A sea of empty hearts without a drop of love to fill. The root of all the heartaches where the seeds of life will grow. So come my friends, it's time that you arose. Your voices may be silent, but we hear you all the same. Your words are in the sunlight and the tapping of the rain. It waters all the seeds asleep within the ground below. So come my friends, it's time that you arose. We will be free, we'll be released.
So stay tuned for more adventures as we sail around the world. If you want to find out how to fix your boat, go to our Mothership maintenance channel, and if you've got any questions you want to ask us, join our patron family.
I had a dream last night about a boat. It was pink and green with a stripy mast. It had spotty sails and a golden flag. I said, hey, I had a dream last night